Introducing Smartech.com, a Vietnam-based company specializing in outsourcing design and construction jobs, including structural and architectural design, from foreign companies. Smartech.com offers several advantages, including cost-effectiveness and the ability to access work immediately through. Smartech.com is committed to providing quality services that meet the needs of their clients. They employ a team of highly skilled professionals with extensive experience in design and construction, ensuring that projects are completed to the highest standards. They are also able to work closely with. One of the unique features of Smartech.com is their utilization of UltraViewer, a cutting-edge technology that allows clients to view and collaborate on projects in real time. This means that clients can have a hands-on approach to their projects, providing feedback and making changes as needed. Fee. In addition to the benefits of cost-effectiveness and real-time collaboration, the time zone difference also offers an advantage. Clients in the United States can rest assured that their projects will be worked on even while they sleep, ensuring that deadlines are met and progress is made. Overall, Smartech.com is an innovative and reliable company that offers quality outsourcing services to foreign companies. With their highly skilled team, commitment to customer satisfaction, and cutting-edge technology, they are well positioned to meet the needs of clients from all over the world.